Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing Hungry Tamy from Garten of Banban. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. With this drawing, I'll be erasing some lines, so I'd recommend drawing in a pencil first. Okay, let's first start off by drawing the mouth. Near the top, let's draw a sideways oval. Next, let's hop inside and add the teeth. We'll start with a V shape in the middle, then a smaller one on either side, and then two large ones on both sides like this. Next, let's add the tongue. We'll start underneath on the left and let's draw an S-shaped curve down, and then bring it back up at the end. And now let's erase the overlapping line inside. And that's it for the mouth. Next, let's draw the shape of the head. Let's start on top and let's draw a curve around. Now from both sides, let's curve it down. Now from the ends, let's draw a small curve down and out. Now at the ends, let's add the arms. From the left side, let's draw a curve down. Then let's bring it back up, above the head, and back down like this. And now let's do the same thing on the right. Now from the ends, let's follow that same curve all the way back in. And lastly, near the top, let's add a curve inside. And that's it for the arms. Next, let's move back in and draw the body. We'll start underneath on the left side and let's draw a curve down. Then bring it back in. And then one more point underneath. And now let's do the same on the right, but this time we're going to start the points higher up like this. And now at the bottom, let's draw two lines down. Next, let's hop inside and add the eyes. On the top left, let's start with a circle. Then let's add another smaller circle inside. And then color it in black. Now let's draw the second eye in the same way underneath it on the right. Now let's draw a smaller one underneath on the left side here. And then a larger one on the bottom in the middle. And that's it for the eyes. Next, let's move down and draw the legs. From the bottom, let's draw a curve up and out from both sides. Then let's bring it down and up. And then one more curve down and out. Now let's start underneath in the middle, and let's follow that same curve underneath like this. And now let's do the same on the right side. And lastly, inside at the end, let's draw a curve up and back down inside both sides. And that's it for Hungry Tamy. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!